Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be showing you how to tie the Ankara turban mixed with raw silk. So welcome back guys. I'll be using the raw silk first. If I'm mixing the Ankara with raw silk, I'll be using the raw silk first. So as you can see, I'm just folding in the rough part of the veil. I'll be pleating that in a V shape. I want the front of the turban to be in a V shape. So I'll be pleating that out, placing one on top of her ear and the other one at the back of her ear. That's one side of the kili will be on her ear, while the other one will be at the back of her ear. This is a 60-40 gilly. The other hand is longer than the other one, so I'll be twisting. That is the long one I'm giving her to hold. I'll be twisting this down the shorter hand to make my V shaped gilly. So as you can see, I'll be securing that with a pin, an office pin, in order not to let the shorter hand loose, or I want it to be firm. So now I'm picking up the Ankara. The Ankara is the smaller piece of my hair tie today. The raw silk is longer than the Ankara itself, so I'll be placing that on top of my pleats. Can you see the gilly is now secured? This is the longer part of the veil, so I'll be using the Ankara. Next, I'll be tying it from under and flipping out my raw silk to the back. Then I'll tie the Ankara at the top of the raw silk. I'm just tying the Ankara roughly and tucking the rough edges of the Ankara too to make it look neat. Then this other hand, I'll just flip it to the front. So using the rest of the raw silk, I'm just going to wrap that round. Since the raw silk is very long, I'll be wrapping that around her head. Can you see that? I just went, this is the first round, then the second one, and this is the second one. But make sure all the rough edges, that means the edges of the Ankara, it might not be weaved also. Can you see this particular raw silk is not weaved, so I'm trying to tuck in the rough parts of the raw silk, just to make sure. Even the Ankara, when you're tying it, you don't want the label of the Ankara to show. You make sure you tuck in everything. So as you can see, I'm securing this with a pin, with an office pin, just making a little twist and making a little ruffle with the rest of the Ankara, and using the remaining raw silk too to make ruffles also. So I'll just pick, squeeze and then pin, pick, squeeze and pin. That's how to make ruffle. That's the idea behind making a ruffle. So you can also do whatever you feel like. You can change the style. You can make it to the side, the middle, or you can just create your ruffles all around the gilly at the top. Anyhow you want it to be, just be creative. Can you see how I'm twisting my own? My own is to the side, and then boom, you can be creative in your own way also. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Bye.